I come in peace. This is my offering to you human beings. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and get ready to sit back, relax in your own little movie theater. And when I say like sit back and relax, I mean like suit up and get crafty, because they're DIYs. They're not gonna make themselves. Movie night DIYs. Let's hack your world. To kick off the movie night hacks, we have a popcorn light. I'm gonna do my best impression of a 20s movie. I'm Deborah Catastrophe. Ronnie is trying to win my love, but he's a ghost. Ronnie, I feel your presence, but I can't see you. Oh, Debbie, I still love you. Oh, Ronnie, I don't know if I can do this anymore. But I'm a ghost. That makes me interesting. No. Yes. No. And scene. Lights on. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a popcorn container, a lamp, glitter spray paint, colored light bulb, and trim. First, take apart the lamp and spray paint the base. Cut the base out of the popcorn container. Add your trim. Screw in the colored light bulb. Movie mood lighting? Check. I think it's kind of ironic because you know how you turn off all the lights in a movie theater, yet we just made a light. And for our next hack, we have Galaxy popcorn. Look how cute this is. And I put like a whole bunch of glitter in it and a whole bunch of chocolate. It tastes like the Boy Scout popcorn. For my first batch, I made it even more galaxy, like black and like blue and pink and stuff to make it like really galaxy. But I wanted these to show up on camera. This is more like unicorn popcorn. That was a lot of chocolate. I'm not mad about it. Okay, let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a bag of popcorn, colored candy melts, candy stars, a double boiler, and wax paper. First, pop the popcorn. Melt the black candies and mix with the popcorn. In batches, melt the candy and drizzle over the black popcorn. Popcorn upgraded. Popcorn is now out of this world. You know that like popcorn kernels can pop up to like 3 feet in the air? Like they jump out of the bowl, pop, and then they come back down. That's like higher than I can jump. And I'm a human. And for our last hack, we have the easy marquee. You can make it say whatever you want. You could say, live, love, life. You could also use like an anagram. And like an anagram is basically like reusing letters. Like Goldie could also spell gold, like die, go, old. And you know, my favorite word, E-G-O, ego. Reduce, reuse, respell. That's my motto. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need paper mache letters, gold duct tape, globe string lights, paint, sponge, and pliers. First, remove the front of the letters. Then cut X's on the back of the letters. Sponge paint the gold on top. Push lights through the X's. Let your sign shine. Honestly, this would look super good like above a bed. Whose room is this? And they're like, oh, it's Goldie. That is it for movie night hacks. I hope you guys got crafty and suited up. Comment down below what your favorite was. Mine was the easy Marquee. Goldie. But yeah, comment down below what your favorite was. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more DIYs. Turn on post notifications because bells are really cool. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to JJZ. Okay, this is insane. It all started from love from India. This one girl commented love from India. And then all you guys are commenting like where you're from. It's like international. It's insane. Debbie Catastrophe. Signing off. Ronnie, played by GoldieBlox. Debbie, played by GoldieBlox. It's a one-woman show, that's all I'm saying, but thank you. All of us are signing off.